Hi friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw a cute and colorful house scene, step by step. Grab your black marker and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the triangle roof of the house. Nice and pointy. Now, draw a big rectangle under the roof for the house. Great! Let's add a door in the middle of the house. Time to draw a chimney on top of the roof. It's a little rectangle. Let's add some horizontal lines across the house. These lines make it look like the house is made of wood. Now let's draw two cute trees beside the house. Draw two trunks, just like straight lines. Then draw the big leafy tops like fluffy ovals or clouds. Draw a bush behind the house. Make it small and round like a green cloud. Now let's draw a cloud above the house. And now the sun, just peeking out from behind the cloud. So cute! Nice job, everyone! Our beautiful house scene is complete. Let's make our lines bold and sharp so the drawing really pops. Wow! Doesn't that look awesome? Now it's time to color. Let's use rainbow colors. Show your markers and say the colors together. Red color. Wow! Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Pink color. Fill in the house, roof, trees, sun, and everything you see. Great job, friends! Your picture looks amazing. You did such a wonderful job today. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your drawing with your friends. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.